viewers, welcome to Mouli's kitchen. Today's recipe is egg drop curry. Let's see the ingredients. 4 eggs, 1 spoon ginger garlic paste, 5 medium sized onions, few coriander leaves, 3 medium sized tomatoes, 2 green chilli, half cup of water, 6 spoons oil, small stick of cinnamon, 4 cloves, 3 cardamom, 1/4 spoon turmeric powder, 1 spoon chilli powder, 1½ spoon salt. Let's start cooking. Switch on the flame and once the kadai gets heated, add 6 spoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, add cinnamon, cloves and cardamom. Now I am going to add onions. These are 5 medium sized onions finely chopped. Cook it for 3 minutes on medium flame. After cooking for 3 minutes, I am adding 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste. Now cook the onions till onions turns to golden brown color. Now onions are turned into golden brown color. I am adding chopped green chilies, chopped tomatoes, now fry it. Cook the tomatoes completely. Now tomatoes are nicely cooked. I am adding spices, salt. You can add as per your taste. I am just adding 1½ spoon of salt, turmeric powder 1/4 spoon and chilli powder 1 spoon. And just mix it nicely. Just keep it on medium flame for a minute. After frying for a minute, add half cup of water and bring it to boil. Now I am making space for the eggs. Now drop the eggs. Give some small space between the eggs as it will spread. Keep the flame in simmer and now cover the curry with lid and cook it for 15 minutes in the low flame. After cooking for 15 minutes, the curry is ready. Garnish with chopped coriander. Switch off flame. Take curry into plate. Take it gently. Now tasty egg drop curry is ready. You can have it with roti or rice. If you like this video, please click on like button and subscribe to watch more recipes from my kitchen. Thank you.